Meet Jim. Jim's a business owner, ready to automate his company's production and cash in by taking advantage of all the wonderful benefits of a CNC router. But when he tries to research the perfect CNC router to unleash and explode his creativity, not to mention his profits, he's met with a brick wall of confusion. Complicated, outdated information twists his head around. The salespeople he's dealt with had him on the defensive with high-pressure, misleading sales tactics, head-scratching price structures, and, let's be honest, some flat-out lies. In the end, Jim's left looking for that simple solution. If only he could track down a CNC router system that was easy to operate and built for professional use, but wouldn't break the bank. Thankfully, there's Industrial CNC, the often imitated, never duplicated world leader of CNC routers. We're the first and only affordable CNC router systems designed and engineered to meet the demands of professional operators in industrial applications, offered at a price any shop can afford. At Industrial CNC, we pride ourselves on building easy-to-use, industrial-strength systems at affordable prices that guarantee you a maximum return on your investment. We stand behind you with the industry's best service and free lifetime technical support, and back you up with the industry's longest, strongest, top-to-bottom bulletproof warranty program. In recent years, our industry has become flooded with copycats, cheap knockoffs, and a host of other deceitful quote-unquote CNC router companies who mislead and prey on ignorance. These guys hawk lightweight, poorly built machines and use the industrial moniker in their marketing material and web listings, doing everything they can to associate with the industrial name. Don't be confused. The Industrial CNC name was defined through many years of industry-leading innovations and an absolute relentless dedication to putting the customer's needs above all else. It's a name we own and define. It represents the one true leader of CNC routers. In case you weren't paying attention, that's us. We are Industrial CNC. So now that you've discovered what thousands of our satisfied customers already know, why not join the industrial revolution, where the only question left is, what will you create with yours? Start the conversation at 888-398-9285 or industrialcnc.com.